Let's explore mathematical models. What do we have here? Let's draw a picture. We have a rectangle with the following four corners. And this upper right corner is a point on the graph of the equation y equals 26 minus x squared. So this point, if we call the x-coordinate x, y-coordinate y, we see that the y-coordinate is related to the x-coordinate in this way. The y-coordinate is 26 minus x squared. So we want to come up with a formula for the area of this rectangle. Well, let's make a note here. When x changes, so does the rectangle. When you change x, you get a new rectangle. And we want to know precisely how does the area of the rectangle change with x. Let's take a look at two possible rectangles in this situation. There's this one right here, and there is this one right here. Both of these points are on the graph of y equals 26 minus x squared. And there are, in fact, infinitely many rectangles in this situation. So we want to know, can we express the area in terms of x? So the formula for area is length times width. Let's talk about the length and the width. This side is equal to x. The length of this side is equal to x. The length of this side is equal to y. So the area is x times y. And we know that y is equal to 26 minus x squared. So area equals 26x minus x cubed. So now we've expressed area as a function of x. And you can check that here. When x is 2, the formula gives us 44. When we look in this picture, the area should be 2 times 22, which is 44. Similarly, when x is 5, the formula gives us 26 times 5 minus 5 cubed, which is 130 minus 125, which is 5. And the formula here of length times width gives 5 as well. So now we have a function given by this formula in terms of x. And we want to talk about what is the logical domain for this function? Well, let's think about this. X represents the length of a side of a rectangle. So X certainly, X must be positive. Now, can X be any positive value? Well, the most X could be is this number right here. Is the X coordinate of this point. And this is when, this is the point, the square root of 26, comma 0. In fact, X has to be less than that. Can be anything between anything between 0 and the square root of 26, excluding the endpoints. So the domain here, the logical domain, the relevant domain, is the open interval 0 to the square root of 26.